What's up, YouTube? This is B-Side Investing. We're looking into HUT8 mining today. They dropped 2%, and all the other miners were up at least 7 to 8%. So, Bitfarm up 8. Yeah, so I've had a really good day. So, let's look into why that was. Now, Bitfury completes planned transfer of HUT8's share. So, they sold 8.5 million, and they did file on Friday that they intend to transfer pretty much via secondary 8.5 million shares of HUT8. That pretty much means it's just a transfer of shareholders. So they're selling it to another shareholder, to a potentially new shareholder. So they've been doing this for I think a few times already. So, and let's see, Bitfury. Yeah, so why they're selling it, right? So pretty much they want to accelerate their R&D, specifically around their next generation A6 chip development, which will influence Bitfury's growth and customer and partner relationship. So let's look at what they currently have now, right? So the TARDIS looks like their biggest hash rate. And then the B8, which was released 17. The TARDIS on 18. So no wonder why HUT8 had to go and buy MicroBT WhatsMiners MS M30S, which is just a little better and a lot more efficient, looks like. Okay. So with this development, obviously now it's not going to be quick. They do have a relationship with HUT8. The partnership could definitely see benefits from both sales and from HUT8 possibly getting a much more efficient miner, and probably an advantage, competitive advantage to what Mara has with Bitmain. And let's look at the price right now. Let me just refresh. It's currently sitting at 49.4. Now that doesn't mean it's going to open at 49 tomorrow when the market opens, but if we open now, HUT should bounce back. Now, they did fall since the news hit at 9:30. So if I look at 9:30, okay, it took about, I want to say about half an hour. Yeah, about half an hour for this news to reach everyone and really have an effect, and pretty much boom, 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 go all the way down. This is what I wanted to share with my 10x video. I was going to get into it, but it just made more sense to do a video on it because the 10x video would have gone for way too long. With that 10k video, I'm currently at 5200, up 400% plus. So I'm doing really good. I think it's about 2.5 months now. So definitely on a good path. So, right. So with HUT8, if it's definitely underrated, like I think I've been preaching for a little while. They have the highest hash rate currently, and they're hodling about the second largest among the miners here. So we're looking pretty good. They are expecting 1.5 exahash by end of Q2. Now they should have a news come out, hopefully, of purchase around Q3, Q4, which should increase their exahash to about. This kind of worries because they're only increasing about 400 petahash, looks like. I'm hoping they get to around 3 here, what Bitfarm and Riot, because it's not going to compete with Mara because they invested a lot heavily into their miner. So yeah, with the current market cap of 900 and Hive is around 1.6, 1.7, definitely underrated to the, yeah, definitely underrated. So I'm definitely gonna pick up some shares if this is the chance to build up your position on HUT8. Mainly if you are new to HUT8, maybe just add it. And if you already own HUT8 and you want to get in, this is a good time to dollar cost average it, because yes, it might go down more, but with the Bitcoin price continuing to go up, definitely not going to take that chance and wait for like a few days, right? So maybe just pick up some tomorrow and then a little bit more tomorrow. Just try to average it out. And historically, that has proven to be a better system than just trying to time like when to get in, right? So time in the market beats timing the market. So just a little facts, a little knowledge for you there, right? So this should go on for maybe tomorrow. I'm hoping this will end it tomorrow, but you never know, right? So Bitcoin price going up will definitely help, and with the mining profitability also at 32 cents a day per terahash, that also helps. So definitely considering loading up more on HUT8. So yeah, so hope this was helpful, and definitely please consider liking and subscribing. This is a relatively new channel. Please also know this is not financial advice. Please do your own research, build up your conviction, build up your confidence on the share, because if it drops something like this, like even more, like 20%, because they do go up and down, like from here to here, $2-3, about 20 to 30%. What if that was a negative, right? So if you just look at these videos and you don't do your own research, you won't have that conviction when you see a huge red day. Like, you might think about selling it, but patience is key with any of the stocks. So currently I own about 160. I want to load up to about 500 shares with HUT8. Also, I think I've been preaching as well. HUT8 is considerably more really undervalued, considering comparing with the US stocks, so like Mara and Riot, right? So if you look at the hash rate, definitely higher than both of them. Hodling, they're around the middle. So there's no freaking reason why they shouldn't be at around $40 at what Hive and Mara and Riot is at. So get in now. Hopefully we get the news about getting into the US market around Q2, Q3. Hopefully. It's not like it's more about timing. It's gonna happen. So just get in now. Like around this time next year, you'll definitely be glad that you got into HUT at around 8. Even 8 is not that high. Like, you definitely want to pick up some more. And I think I've probably made this video too long, but hope this is helpful. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and